Hi friends, Gunesh here. This is lesson 6 on how to work with Python, and on this lesson we will be learning the while and loops in Python. So let's go on to Python and let's get started. So here in Python there are two sorts of loops. There's while loop and the for loop. So first let's start with the while loop. I'll call this while loop here. So firstly I will create a variable called x and it will be equal to 0. So down here we will write a short code with the while function. So here as you can see, I have written a short code, and when we run it, we will get a countdown from 0 to 4. So what actually happened here is while the x is less than 5, it will add again and again 1 to x until it reaches 5, and then it will stop there. So this is just the basics of it. So this is how the while loop works. Now let's continue to the for loop. So down here I will type in for loop. So using the same variable here, I will type in here for x in range of 5. Let's not write 5, but 5 to 10. It will print x. And now when we run this code, we should also remove this code here. So when I run this code, we will get a countdown from 5 to all the way to 9, but it won't include 10. That's what we wrote here. So this is just the basics of the for loop and while loop. There's a lot more that you can do with the loops. So for example, if I created here a variable days, so here I have created my variable. Let's click enter. So if I type here for d in days, I'm creating a new variable. That means just d short for days. So type this code here, and when you run it, we will get all of the days of the week. So for example, if you want to know all of the days of the week until Friday, before Friday, you can also do that by typing down here. If d is equal to Friday, let's change it. So if d is equal to Friday, it will stop. So let's run the code. And here, as you can see, it told all of it: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So as you can see here, to stop the code, we use the command break. But if we want it to continue, just keep going until Friday. It won't include Friday, just skip it and continue to Saturday and Sunday till the end. Instead of using break, we will use another code called continue. It will just skip it, continue without it. So here you will see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It will skip Friday and just continue to Saturday and Sunday. So this is the end of how to use the loops, while and for loops. And this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new, and I'll see you on my next lesson. Bye!